What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Taking into consideration that this car came out 24 years ago and still in most part keeps up with today's standards, I feel like it was way ahead of its time, and today I'm going to go over those facts with you. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and go into my top reasons of why I feel like the E46 was way ahead of its time when it came out. So to start things off, 1997 was the initial production year of the E46. And for here in North America, every single E46 that you got came with a silky smooth revving inline 6-cylinder engine. The displacement of the engine varied between which model you got, if you got a 320, 323, 325, 328, or 330. But regardless of whichever engine you ended up picking out, it was still a quick car, especially when you consider what era it came out in. And on top of that, the car came with 3 different transmission choices. You could either opt out for a manual, or an automatic, or the SMG, which was only available for the 330 M package models or the M3s. Also keep in mind, when this SMG technology came out for the transmissions, it was way ahead of its time and not really any other auto manufacturer was doing it in their cars, especially for a daily driver like a 330. So combined with the inline 6 engine that revved extremely smooth and was also very peppy for its time, combined with the sporty and composed yet very comfortable driving feel of the car, this was definitely one of the best daily drivers you can get, especially for the money. They all just had that classic BMW sporty driving feel. And in terms of options, in the 2000s, they released a navigation system upgrade that came with the car. And before this, navigation was only included in the utmost premium or the utmost luxurious cars. So to be available to get a navigation package in a normal daily driver BMW, this was never seen before and it was way ahead of its time. It also included options like fully automatic up and down windows, which only the most luxurious cars had at the time. You could also get fully electric heated leather seats optioned out in your car, and that was only available to more luxurious cars at the time as well. Some more options also included an upgraded sound system built by Harman & Kardon, which sounds amazing, even to today's standards. All my E46 owners know this, but if you heard a speaker system with an E46 that's equipped with the Harman & Kardon package, you know, even to today's standards, it actually sounds really good. The upgraded Harman & Kardon package could also be equipped with a 6 CD changer. Some more features also included automatic tilting side mirrors for reversing, a fully automatic sunroof, automatic daylight xenon running lights, a tire pressure monitoring system. Even the coupes, specifically like mine, also got those sideways out folding rear mirrors. There are also little features here and there that you'd never think would be useful until you actually need it and you realize how clutch it actually is. One of them being an electric flashlight that's rechargeable, that's always nice and ready and charged right inside your glove box. It's basically just a rechargeable flashlight that sits in your glove box and it's constantly charging when the car's on, and then it always just stays there for a tight situation when you need a flashlight or you have to pull a fuse out. It's always just there and ready for whenever you need it. Another clutch feature is that in the trunk, right on the roof, there's a full toolkit. This toolkit's obviously going to be very clutch for those moments where you have to pull over on the side of the road to swap out a spare tire, or maybe something's slightly wrong in your engine bay. You just need a super simple toolkit just to get something done and sorted. This will definitely help you out, especially in a tight situation. And you also can't forget the full-size spare tire under the trunk well. And it's honestly just little features like that that make you realize how much attention to detail actually went into the production and the design of the E46. Also on top of all that, it also received the highest rating for safety from the IHHS. Equipped standard with airbags all around, especially with side impact airbags for front and rear passengers, this was a feature that almost no cars had at the time, especially for the price range as well. And combined with the stiff structural integrity of the E46, this was a very safe car to be traveling in, until you take it to the track and crack your subframe. But in all seriousness, if you consider the production dates of the E46 and all the options it came available with, and you also compare it to the cars that are also available at the time and the options those cars had, you'll quite quickly start to realize that the E46 was quite ahead of its time and also had a lot of options that only the most premium and the most luxury cars were available with. So with that being said, that's going to be my top reasons why I feel like the E46 was ahead of its time when it came out. But other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you guys have any questions, you can just leave them down below or just go ahead and follow my Instagram, as I do talk to a lot of you guys there, and I'll try my best to answer you guys' questions. I'll be more than happy to help you guys out. And other than that, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.